For me, I think it's more than my expectation.
This was 100% it lived up to my expectations.
This has been an experience of a lifetime, I would say, and would be definitely be contributing to the global health project that I'm doing back home.
Oh my, this is like beyond my expectation.
If we have opportunity, we should catch it. Yes, don't go away.
Practicing in the cadaver, because this is something we rarely do. Even if you take a small idea and you implement it in your place, it can make huge impact. So yeah, I think you should come here and you should really do it.
From each country, we're allowed to present from their perspective about the status of surgery and training programs in their country.
These courses provide me not only the opportunity to learn from the speakers, but also it enables me to build connection with people from all around the countries. So with the knowledge that I get from here and also the connection, I really hope that I can do something better to the people needed in my country.